Most time, this is the time you see smart traders always make profit with Bitcoin. Yes, especially now. Totally, you might be asking yourself, how do people really make money with Bitcoin? Let me tell you one thing. I know people, a lot of people that they have $10,000. Some of these people have $5,000. Some have $1,000 for trading. And how does it work? They always look for opportunity, just like every businessman looks for opportunity. Yes, every smart investors look for opportunity. That's time you want to trade and make good profit. Right now, BTC is dropping. What do you think people will do? Definitely go and take a look at the market cap of most US stable coins. You see that the market cap of most stable coins have actually risen, which means so many people have converted their money to stable coin, waiting, hoping, analyzing, checking the fundamental and technical analysis to see when the trend, when the bearish trend will end. Of course, with the help of relative strength index, with the help of stochastic oscillator, with the help of moving average and soft Japanese candlestick, they are able to predict, understand that okay, if BTC actually drops at almost $3,500 price, now when Bitcoin will start rising, definitely they are going to buy. That means you buy at a very low and you sell when the price must have increased. This is what most smart traders do. Right now, imagine someone that invested just $10,000 and BTC, which have actually dropped about 13%, now hits 10% back, because definitely we hope Bitcoin will rise back, right? Now, this is how it works. If Bitcoin hit 10% back, if I have $10,000 and maybe I have $10,000 stable coin, I have to invest that moment, I believe that yes, the market is going to reverse. Definitely, I'll be earning about $1,000, which is what $1,000, which is 10% of $10,000. Someone with $1,000 will make $100 profit. Okay, although this is the kind of trade we call opportunity trade. Okay, opportunity trading. Now we also have normal trading. Opportunity trading is when people just wait, they don't want to buy, they don't want to trade anything, they just